I get the sweetest, most fit girl in the whole Hawaii. She swims every morning. She runs every morning. But who's the fastest and greatest chef?
Man in the pan.
Okay, big sucker! Awesome. We are so fortunate to have so many locally grown food. I thank the agriculture programs at Hawaii Community College, University of Hawaii at Hilo, and also at CETAR. Welcome to the Man and the Pan. Today I'm going to cook a couple things here that I got that's local. The first item I got is eggplant. It's locally grown. So I'm going to show you how to cook an eggplant not using too much oil. And I learned this from one of my mentors, George Yoshida. What you gotta do is you gotta go and take off the top. You gotta slice it up, all in nice pieces. Then you take off some of the skin, put it inside a container. You soak in one little, and then you drain it out. And here you go, slices of eggplant. Okay? I'm just gonna put just a little oil in the frying pan. Then I grab mayonnaise, right? Dump some mayonnaise in here. I mix it all around. I coat all the eggplant with mayonnaise, okay? And what it'll do, it will prevent the oil from getting seeped in all into the eggplant. And plus, it gives it a real nice, delicate flavor, okay? Okay, just like that. And it's hot. So I grab this marinated eggplant, okay? Marinated in mayonnaise. Okay, I think some of them is done and it's ready to take out. I think it's all done. Look at that, right over here. Eggplant. The burger look good. Well, let's see how it tastes. Put some shoyu. It's hot, but it's so good. So next, I'm gonna just wipe this pan with some more oil in here because I'm gonna make my wife's favorite dish. I'm gonna cook for her some local farm-raised prawns. This prawns here, you can use one that comes from Kauai, or this one here came from Kona. Grab the prawn, you butterfly it, you cut off the head, throw away the whiskers, and you put in some nice Hawaiian salt. And this Hawaiian salt was given to me by my friends at Grow Farms in Kauai. Then you put on some garlic powder, okay? Then you put on some paprika. And that's all what you gotta do, right? So what I do is I first put this bottom side off like that and take a quick fry. Okay, this prawns here, you should never overcook it, right? So you make sure that you cook it really fast. But you know what I really like about this prawns? It's all the miso right in the head. Okay, I think it's all about done. Here you go. Deep fried, locally raised shrimp. Look at all the miso in the head. Yeah? Oh, my favorite part, the head. Man, the miso was so unreal. Oh, this is so good. Unbelievable. And also local eggplant. Fried with mayonnaise, haloene oil. Again, until next week, we'll see you on the Man and the Pan. Support local. Aloha.